Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I'm going to teach about the secret of Whisk AI of Google. This is a new AI tool which brought by Google, Whisk AI. So here, if you just type on the Google, you can get this window. Okay, you just click on it. It goes to that respective tool. Okay, here this is a tool. Here you will be able to generate the image, very specific image you will be able to generate. Very good tool. So here click on it. At the moment they given the image generator also free. In future I don't know whether they are providing they are change their plan to the premium. I don't know what happened. At the moment it is free. You will be able to work on it. Okay, so here now I'm going to go to the ChatGPT. So don't type it in English over here. It will be generated, but it's not generate the image accurately what you expect. Okay, so that why we are why we are write the English in ChatGPT to generate your prompt, because AI understand the AI language. So here go to ChatGPT. Now I'm going to generate the image. So how to generate the image? First you have to write it as a world best prompt generator. For images. AI prompt generator. Here is the prompt. Here is the text. I'm going to generate the text as two girls speaks in front of the camera. In front of the camera. Two girls speaking in front of the camera. Behind the scenes, behind the temple background in the evening should show the face clearly. That's it. Here the prompt has been generated. Two young women speaking in front of the camera with a traditional template in temple in the background during the golden evening sunset. The space are shown clearly and sharp focus and natural setting. That is generated by the AI is very effective. So that's the thing we have to do it. Okay, so you have to click on it. Click on the arrow button. You will be able to see after click on it the image is generated. You have to wait until the image generated completed. Okay, so that's how we have to do it. Okay, very simple. So we have to wait until the things complete. So okay, there's two girls are, so that these two girls are not Indians, so that these two girls are foreign girls. So if you have to tell them again to the go here edit, and you can then two two Indian girls, two Indian girls, two Indian girls speaking in front of the camera behind the Hindu Kovil background. Okay, now we are okay. Two Indian girls speaking in front of the camera behind the Hindu Kovil background, wearing saris. You can like it. Additionally, you can add it like this if you want. In the saris look. Now click on it. Okay, this camera traditional temple in background. You have to just this. Okay, again you have to write it here. Speaking in front of the. Now you will be able to see the prompt. The two young Indian girls standing and speaking in front of the camera clearly shown their space with the natural expressions. The background features tradition. Okay, so that in detail they have created the prompt. So this prompt we will be able to use it into here. So here now I have used this prompt in order to create the image. So click on it. Now you can see how the image will be changed. Okay, you have to see. Okay, so that whatever you are given to the AI tool, the here that is kind of a Hindu girl. So this is coming the natural look here. The person who are first time they're watching, they can't identify whether it's AI, it's created by AI or natural look. Here it's created a very good look. That focus a very good look. That's the secret of lab Google effects. Okay, so the Wix. So we have to try on it. That is the very best way to create the images, AI images. Okay, so that we have to get them. You can use them here. It's clearly you can use them. That this kind of image. Whatever prompt you can write it. Okay, so if you have any doubt on that, here small this girls. Okay, so that you can see. You can see here. I need a here that we have to in front of the camera in the so here I'm going to wearing sarees and beautiful look. Okay, you have to tell them whatever in your mind. If it is go wrong, don't worry, you have to go and edit the prompt and regenerate. Okay, data it's regenerated right away. So you have to again you have to paste it. Okay, if it went wrong, don't worry about that. You have to generate it right away. It will be generated here. Now the prompt is generated very clearly. It's very awesome look. You can clear here. This look is awesome. Now you can see the look is awesome. You can see that. This look is awesome. So this kind of images we will be able to create it. Okay, the simple images you will be able to create it. I hope you guys you understood the tutorial well. If you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. If you love my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.